Welcome back everybody, my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, yes, still on One UI 8. Still on One UI 8, One UI 8.5 is out there with some very alpha releases. The moment it's usable guys, I'm gonna put it. But in this video I am reviewing the One3D icon pack by Eidos. What's new, it was updated on the 7th of October. Initial release 4,800 plus icons. Honestly, the moment I saw the icons, I said, all right, I'm sold. You know, these icons, they look like just the stock icons, but with a 3D effect. And I have something with 3D effects, guys, all right? I just have something with 3D effects. I love the way it looks. Without any further ado, guys, this is how it's gonna look like. And there are good things, like, for example, all my social apps that really were modified. And now those icons really look cool, and they have the nice level of shades here, and they just look beautiful on my phone. The Facebook, the Instagram, X and Messenger and Viber, the gallery, which is again the stock icon, but just revamped, just with a bit more weight. That is adding kind of a dimension. And then the store, then the Play Store. Then take a look here, guys. Almost everything from Google, right? Actually, everything from Google. Yes, Waze is still technically from Google. The Chrome, the Gmail. It is looking very good. The media and live is Spotify, YouTube Music, okay? Mixcloud, I'm not so sure. It doesn't look 3D. And SoundCloud news music, all right? And then even some of the business apps like Outlook and Teams and stuff like that. And even my little Plus card. Yes, little, right? By the way, this is also using a wallpaper from the application, guys. I'm gonna just walk you through. So this is the application. By the way, it's on sale. So right now I think I paid something like 50-60 cents. So this is how it looks like, and you can see it's really beautiful. You can keep touching this. You're gonna get like a preview of all the nice icons. And if you like 3D effects and stock icons, this is a good app. You can also check all the icons here, all right? So there are really a lot of icons. All of them are just the system one. Those are all the system icons. You can see plenty, like Bixby's there and the camera is there. And now we have the Google. I told you, a lot of Google icons, 112 Google icons. Then we have some MISC icons, Adidas, that light some games and some more stuff. And then there are some dates. But pay attention, guys. When you go back to the main screen, you're gonna see, yes, and that's not a mistake, 426 wallpapers, which I think is kind of a nice touch to this application anyway. So there are really a lot of wallpapers. The ones that are really stock, like from S24, even from top, all right, from the Z Fold, Z Flip and stuff like this, you can keep scrolling down. There are really a lot of them. And then there are some nice colorful wallpapers and some even abstract forms. I mean, yeah. It is a nice, good touch. How do you apply this, guys? That's important. How do you apply this? You need to use Good Lock. From Good Lock, you need to use Theme Park, from where you can just go directly on the icon, just hit Create New, click on the icon pack, choose your, right, save it, and then you're gonna end up with something like this that I already have, and then just click here and apply. Right now, of course, I have applied it. And the good thing is, yeah, you can use a combination of Theme Park and also, different effects with these icons. Okay, so let's try to add a glass effect, for example, right? I can do this if I want. I mean, if you want to go the Apple style with the glass effect, yeah, you can do so. And you can change the color of the glass effect. And there are actually multiple effects. I'm just very briefly going to show you guys. If you click on effects, so we have the film grain. That is, by the way, the film grain is a nice one because it's adding this aftertouch of the icons. Okay, then we have the dual tone, which you can change. Then we have the glass effect, and then we have a gradient, and I think that's it. And of course, you can also try to change shapes. Right now, I'm just using it absolutely stock the way it is. What I don't really like is the fact that I still have some icons that are not processed, but okay. For now, I am just thinking, listen, this looks really beautiful on my home screen with my dial and the messages in the Google Chrome and with the camera. So if you want to check this app out, guys, I'm going to leave a link down below in the comments or video description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe. VST over and bye.